Hey there, moneymakers! Are you ready to unlock the secret to earning over $800 just by scanning QR codes? That's right, you heard it here first. Today, I'm unveiling not just one but two revolutionary methods for raking in cash through QR codes. So buckle up and let's dive right into this money-making adventure. But before we jump into the strategies, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm dropping golden nuggets like this every week, and you don't want to miss out on your ticket to financial freedom. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Method 1. Earning cash back by scanning QR codes and barcodes. The first method we'll explore in detail is all about earning cash back simply by scanning QR codes and barcodes. Imagine this. Every time you make a purchase, whether it's online or at your favorite local store, you have the opportunity to get a portion of that money back into your pocket. It's like getting rewarded for your everyday shopping habits, and it's easier than you think. Let's start with Swipebucks.com, a powerhouse in the realm of cashback rewards. Swipebucks allows you to earn money by shopping at your go-to retailers like Amazon and Walmart. But here's the kicker. You don't just earn cash back for your purchases. You also get rewarded for scanning QR codes and receipts. Whether you're buying electronics, groceries, or fashion items, Swipebucks has your back, offering cash back percentages ranging from 2% to an impressive 10%. And to sweeten the deal, they throw in a $10 sign-up bonus for new users, making it a no-brainer to join and start earning. Moving on to InboxDollars.com, another player in the cashback game. Inbox Dollars rewards you for your grocery shopping endeavors. By simply scanning your receipts or QR codes on those receipts, you can earn cash back on your supermarket purchases. With their newly integrated barcode scanner feature, earning up to 5 cents for each barcode scan is as easy as pie. Plus, Inbox Dollars is currently offering a $5 sign-up bonus for new users, making it a lucrative opportunity to start earning right away. But the cashback train doesn't stop there. National Consumer Panel, NCP, is yet another platform where you can get paid for scanning QR codes wherever you find them. Whether you're at home, in a grocery store, or anywhere else with a QR code, NCP Panel lets you turn those scans into cash rewards. It's a seamless way to earn while you shop, and with their partnerships with top retailers like Target and Amazon, the earning potential is substantial. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Ibotta.com steps into the scene with its promise of easy cashback rewards everywhere you shop. They've streamlined the process, making it fast and safe to save big money on your shopping sprees. By scanning barcodes on your receipts, you can earn cashback ranging up to 30% at thousands of top retailers including Best Buy, eBay, and Walmart. What's more, Ibotta offers a $10 cashback bonus for new users who spend their first $30 after signing up, making it a lucrative opportunity to start saving and earning simultaneously. Fetch.com adds a touch of fun to the cashback game. As a mobile app available on both iOS and Android devices, Fetch rewards you for scanning QR codes, barcodes, and receipts of your purchased items. Whether it's your weekly grocery trip or any other shopping excursion, Fetch Rewards turns those receipts into points that you can redeem for gift cards or even Visa cards. It's a gamified approach to earning cashback, and with personalized offers tailored to your preferences, Fetch makes earning rewards a delightful experience. Continuing our exploration of platforms that offer cashback for scanning QR codes and barcodes, let's delve into ReceiptHog.com. This platform takes the concept of earning rewards for your shopping to the next level. With ReceiptHog, you get rewarded every time you shop, whether it's in person or online. The beauty of ReceiptHog lies in its versatility. You can shop at any store or buy any brand you like and still earn cashback and rewards for your purchases. By simply uploading your QR codes, barcodes, or digital receipts into the app, you can start earning rewards and cashback. What sets ReceiptHog apart is its flexibility in payment options. Whether you prefer rewards in the form of Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, or direct PayPal deposits, ReceiptHog has got you covered. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. So last but certainly not least, let's talk about Shopkick.com. a game-changing app in the realm of earning rewards through QR codes and barcodes. Shopkick stands out for its innovative approach. You can get paid just for walking into partner stores and scanning the QR codes or barcodes of select products off the shelves. That's right, you don't even need to make a purchase to earn rewards with Shopkick. Partnered with major brands like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Sephora, and Best Buy, Shopkick offers a seamless way to earn rewards while you browse through your favorite stores. It's a win-win scenario. You get rewarded for your actions, whether it's browsing, scanning, or purchasing. Now that we've covered these 7 powerhouse platforms for earning cashback through QR codes and barcodes, let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of this method. By leveraging technology and the ubiquity of QR codes, these platforms have transformed the way we shop and earn rewards. Whether you're a savvy shopper looking to maximize your savings or someone seeking additional income streams, the opportunities presented by these platforms are undeniable. In conclusion, the era of earning money through QR codes and barcodes is here, and it's here to stay. With platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, NCP Panel, Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Receipt Hog, and Shopkick, earning cashback has never been more accessible and rewarding. Method 2. Drop servicing QR codes for profit. Now let's shift our focus to Method 2, which involves drop servicing QR codes for profit. This innovative approach taps into the booming demand for QR code services while allowing you to earn without the need for technical skills or hefty investments. It's a business model that leverages freelancers, agencies, and contractors to fulfill client orders, ensuring you keep a substantial portion of the profits without getting bogged down in the technical details. To kickstart your drop servicing journey with QR codes, platforms like Fiverr.com serve as a goldmine. A quick search for QR code-related services on Fiverr reveals a plethora of gigs offering to create QR codes for businesses and individuals. Prices range from $5 to $100 per QR code, showcasing the lucrative potential of this niche. What's even more enticing is the sheer volume of orders these gigs receive, some boasting thousands of completed orders, translating to significant earnings for sellers. The beauty of drop servicing QR codes lies in its simplicity. You act as the intermediary between clients seeking QR code services and freelancers who fulfill those requests. By creating the compelling gig on platforms like Fiverr, you attract clients looking for QR code solutions, whether it's for marketing campaigns, business cards, or digital promotions. Your role is to facilitate these transactions, ensuring clients receive high-quality QR codes while you pocket a handsome commission. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. One of the key advantages of drop servicing QR codes is scalability. Unlike traditional service-based businesses that require extensive infrastructure and overhead costs, drop servicing allows you to scale rapidly without the burden of physical constraints. As demand for QR codes continues to rise across industries, from retail to hospitality, your drop servicing business can capitalize on this trend and expand your client base exponentially. Moreover, drop servicing QR codes doesn't necessitate hiring a team of freelancers or maintaining costly resources. You can operate as a solo entrepreneur, leveraging freelancers on platforms like QR Code Generator to fulfill client orders swiftly and efficiently. With the right marketing strategies and a keen eye for client satisfaction, your drop servicing business can become a profitable venture in a relatively short period. In essence, drop servicing QR codes offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs and digital marketers. By tapping into the ever-evolving landscape of digital services, you can carve out a niche for yourself in the QR code market, earning substantial profits while providing valuable solutions to businesses and individuals alike. It's a win-win scenario that showcases the power of leveraging technology and outsourcing to create a profitable online venture. And there you have it, folks. 2 dynamite methods to pocket over $800 with QR codes. If you want to know the top 21 ways to make money online from home, make sure you click the video showing on the screen right now. Until next time, keep scanning those QR codes and stacking up that cash. See you in the next video. Goodbye.